Can we refund all Google Play purchases? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and let's find if we can refund all Google Play purchases. First of all, locate Google Play Store on your device and tap to launch it. Sign in to your account. Proceed by tapping Profile at top right corner. Now from this menu, select Help and Feedback at bottom and choose the first option to request a Google Play refund. Then you have to wait for a while. Then click on Continue button and confirm. So if you have recent purchases, you can click Continue and select Yes to scan for recent purchases. Note, only recent purchases will show up and old purchases won't be listed for a refund here. If you want to attempt a refund for an old purchase, you can simply select Contact Us at the bottom of the page. So select the option. Now you have to type in refund and click Next button. Now you'll have to choose the option that best applies to your issue. Then you have to select a specific area where you need support for. Tap on Next Step button. Then select Next. Now here you can easily choose the contact option. You can easily contact them by community. After that, you simply need to enter the short summary of your issue. Now here you need to explain the problem you are facing and what you have tried. You can even add the attachment and the link. Choose the category, choose the platform, and then you can select the choice. Then you have to select the next step button. And if needed, you can easily provide your transaction ID and explain your issue in detail. Google Play approves and they will follow up with you about the refund process. So it looked like you can automatically refund all purchases, but there is a still chance by reaching out Google Play support. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.